Okay, it's Mikey into the IKEY here. I got about probably 1,000 pounds of railroad coal. I've been using this right here tonight. I have tons of plates on foam, tons of different types of caps and lids and stuff. I'm eventually gonna weld hinges, but my welder was made out of a microwave, and I'm currently building a stronger one because, as you can tell, I could only do a few little bead taps around it with that one. But yeah, as of right now, I am actually, if I can find my damn pliers, where did I lay you at? Right here. Okay. Right now, I am working on this railroad spike. It's actually glowing red, but I don't feel like going through my settings while holding hot metal in one hand and trying to film in the other. Very hot metal. The way I do it is I learned from an old blacksmith. Cover it in the coal, let the coal cook on it for a while, and let it burn on top of the coal, like with the fire. And don't throw away all your coke. Some of that's still good. I put chicken wire, as you can see the piece sticking up right there from probably me digging around in the coal, but it comes out the bottom holes right there, and I put it in his hand right here, and then dump the hand in the dumpster after it's all cooled, and usually within a day or two I'll throw it in the dumpster. Make sure there's no pieces of hot coal or nothing to catch my trash on fire. But yeah, right now this will be my second railroad knife. And then I'm gonna be making some tongs out of rebar. I'm also interested in making a knife out of about 20 of these I have, and as you can see, I've been melting copper, and this is actually pewter and some brass shells in there. For some reason, the only crucible this thing seems to like is this one. And I cannot, it'll melt pewter, it'll melt straight tin cans and everything, but it melted a hole in my thick ass aluminum lid that was an old gym light, but it won't melt copper, and it's because my blow dryer I had hooked to a tube right there actually fried, and then I put a bigger transformer and bypassed the heating system, and then I fried the motor. So I have another fan that I'm gonna have to try to hook up to it, and yep, just showing you guys the coolness of forging with coal. I have a propane one, but I only use it for precious metals. Again, this is the end to this one. I'll talk to you guys later. Alright, hit that like button and hit that subscribe for more of me doing what I do best, which is a little bit of everything. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit that like, hit that subscribe. Alright, bye.